So I want to show you a little problem I have in my craft room. For a long time, I've been using this little, I think it's a cutlery or silverware holder or something like that, but I've been using it for my blending brushes, and you can see that the ink is just getting all over not only the tool, and I really like this because it spins, but it's also getting the inks just get all over my brushes. And the other issue is I get brushes touching each other and then the inks transfer. So my brushes are a hot mess. I still use them and I clean them off before I use them, but for a while I've been wanting to get some new brushes and figuring out a new system. And I know there's all kinds of holders, um, but for my craft space, I really liked this design just because it fit the small space perfectly. So I've just kind of been holding off and waiting, just kind of putting it off or ignoring it or whatever. But today I'm going to show you, I'm going to unbox this product that I recently purchased from Gina K Designs. I saw it being promoted, and I think it's a new item, but it was the answer to my problem, and it's the brush bucket. And I went ahead and ordered the kit, the blending brush kit, because this kit comes with 30 brushes. You get 10 large brushes, 10 small brushes, and 10 detail brushes, and the rotating caddy. And that's really what I wanted, but I did need new brushes. You can purchase this, just the caddy alone. And I thought about doing that and using my current brushes, but I thought, nope, I'm just going to go all in and get new brushes and keep everything clean and tidy. So let's go ahead, and I haven't even opened this yet. It just arrived in the mail today, or just got delivered. And we're going to unbox it and take it out together. Packaged very neatly. And let's see, first look at this. And this looks like a disc, like maybe it's the part that turns at the bottom, looks like. Yeah, you can kind of see it turns. So we're going to set that aside. And then look at all these brushes. Oh my goodness, it's like Christmas all over for me. So I'm just going to take all the brushes out. And I don't have the labels. You can buy labels from Gina K. You know, you can mark these red, orange, or whatever color you want, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. I think I just might use the visual color on the ink. But so this does not have any instructions, so I'm just assuming it's pretty self-explanatory. So there's this little divot on the bottom, and look, that just fits right in there, and it spins. So that's pretty super easy. This is going to be a short video. I'm so glad there's no screws involved, because I don't do instructions and I don't do screws very well there. I have to get a screwdriver out. So here's my brand new blending brushes. That's one of the large ones. And I think they just fit like that. And let's go ahead and I'll get an example of each of these out. That must go. So I'm assuming you can do, like if this were the reds, I could do the red for the large blending brush, the fine detail, and then we'll go with the small blending brush. And I like that. You can group them together. I really like that. This is going to be so much nicer than all my brushes touching each other and blending in with each other, but I like that. And there's also room here, I'm assuming, for other tools. So let me go ahead and unpackage all these, and I'll get this together, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the end. Okay, wow. All right, I have to say I'm very impressed with this, and hats off to Gina K Designs for the simplicity of putting this together. There's no bolts or screws. Here's the rotator for the bottom, and it just snugly fits on there. And I really appreciate the slim design. This, let me measure this. This whole thing is about 6 inches in diameter. Honestly, maybe 7. And that's it. And it is actually, there's my old situation. It's actually smaller in diameter than this, so it'll take up even less space. So I love it. And, you know, you can fit your other tools inside, your pick tools, pick and stick tools. I have another Lazy Susan for that. But yeah, I love this, and I just wanted to share it with you. I will have a link to the product, both the caddy kit, the caddy and the brushes, and the caddy alone. Links are in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. And let me see if I can tip it one more time without having everything come apart. But yeah, it has all three sizes, has their own little place in the world. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time, and we will make a card next time. See ya. Bye-bye.